In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Shopify sales reports and export your data. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Shopify admin panel. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This is where you can manage your store, review performance, and access deeper reporting tools. For this walkthrough, we'll be focusing specifically on the reporting area where your sales data lives. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Analytics. This section gives you a broader view of how your store is performing, including traffic, sales trends, and customer behavior. After selecting Analytics, choose Reports. This will open the reporting area where Shopify organizes store data into different categories so you can review performance in more detail. Once you're inside Reports, find the Sales category card and click on it. This will open the reporting engine for sales-related data. In this area, you can view reports that help you understand how your store is performing financially. Depending on your Shopify plan and store setup, you may see different types of sales reports, but the main idea is the same. This is where you go to analyze sales activity in a more structured way. After the sales reporting screen opens, move to the top right corner and find the Calendar drop-down menu. Use this to filter the date range for the report. This is especially useful if you want to review performance for a specific day, week, month, or custom time frame. Choosing the correct date range is important because it ensures the numbers you're looking at match the period you actually want to analyze. Take a moment here to confirm the dates before moving on, especially if you're preparing a report for bookkeeping, performance reviews, or team updates. If you need a copy of the report outside of Shopify, click Export. This will let you download the data as a spreadsheet, which can be helpful for sharing, archiving, or doing additional analysis in another tool. Before exporting, it's a good idea to double check that the correct report and date range are selected so you don't have to repeat the process. That's all it takes to access your Shopify sales reports and export the data you need. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.